Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of repairing the motherboard of the Lenovo ThinkBook 15 G2 ITL. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a set of spanners. Start by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the battery if possible. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using a flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage the clips that hold the panel in place. With the back panel removed, you will have access to the internal components of the laptop. Now locate the motherboard. Before proceeding, it's advisable to clean the internal area using compressed air to remove any dust or debris. This will help prevent overheating and ensure optimal performance. Next, check for any visible damage on the motherboard, such as burnt components or loose connections. If you notice any issues, you may need to replace the affected parts. For this, you will require specific replacement components, which can often be sourced online. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assess the damage and provide you with a detailed report. Continuing with the repair, carefully disconnect any cables attached to the motherboard. Use your spanners to remove any screws securing the motherboard in place. Once all screws are removed, gently lift the motherboard out of the chassis. Inspect the motherboard for any signs of corrosion or damage. If you find any, it may be necessary to clean the area with isopropyl alcohol and a soft brush. This can help restore connectivity to damaged areas. If you are unsure about any step, consider our collection and delivery at your home service. We can pick up your laptop, perform the necessary repairs, and return it to you without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple, efficient service. Once you have completed the necessary repairs or replacements, carefully reinsert the motherboard into the chassis. Reconnect all cables and secure the motherboard with the screws you previously removed. Finally, replace the back panel and secure it with the screws. Reinsert the battery and power on your laptop to test if the repair was successful. If everything is functioning correctly, congratulations on completing the repair. If you encounter any issues, remember that we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved before proceeding. This way, you can make an informed decision about your laptop's repair needs. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.